Organizations grow when employees are happy and are supported with tools they need to hone their skills. Stratbeans is a boutique consulting company which creates enjoyable learning experiences for employees. Stratbeans is regarded among top 20 most promising e-learning and gamification solution providers. Articulate Inc., based out of New York, is our product partner. 100,000 plus customers use Articulate 360 for e-learning and games, which match learning preference of employees with their skill requirements. Our sales and support offices are located world over, and our delivery centers are based in India. Our content designers and instructional designers create high-quality interactive content at low cost from India and serve multinational organizations' requirements. Our customers trust us for timely delivery of projects, which support more than 5 million learners globally. Some of our customers are the organizations, especially in manufacturing, who have strict compliance norms. Standard operating procedures are present at all levels of manufacturing, from supply chain to actual manufacturing practices. Key elements of manufacturing SOPs can be made available in the games in such a way that critical SOPs and the reason why they are critical is driven down as foundational knowledge. Sales side is under a lot of stress these days, especially it is difficult for sales executives to get enough talk time with prospective clients. In such a situation, newer ways of interactions and trainings are required to keep the sales staff motivated and to make them understand the intricacies of various products, along with the art of objection handling. Stratbeans creates bespoke e-learnings in different modes. Mirror Movers, an animated solution with the feel of a book. Ocean of Interactivity Boosters, a digital solution to capture learners' attention. Daring 2D Explainers, an engaging solution for technical and complex content. Exciting gamification blasters, a new way of learning with an element of fun. Savage 3D Guides, the state-of-the-art digital solution for a detailed, complex training content. The digitization process starts with analysis of raw content received from subject matter experts or trainers. Content is converted into a storyboard using appropriate learning strategies. Finally, it is published in the form of an e-learning module with human voiceover. Customers use our LXP to distribute the formal as well as informal learning content smartly. The LXP integrates with LMS and all other content sources. LXP enables real-time knowledge collaboration and promotes peer learning for sales teams. We offer intuitive AI-based role-play platform called Autumn Sales Plus, which increases sales target achievement between 5 to 15%. So DM us and let us know what projects you are working on, and we will love to exchange ideas and explore synergies. Feel free to ask for a demo or free proof of concept development.